Can you troubleshoot what's going on with the machine? ECMO training is a critical component to actually setting up our nurses for success. ECMO in itself is the highest level of life support that currently exists to care for our most critical patients. And to make our nurses more comfortable with caring for those patients, this simulation in this room allows them to get their hands on the equipment in a safe environment, actually practice those critical skills before they ever need to use them on a patient.
So on the left side you have the sweep, which is how much CO2 you're pulling off and how much oxygen that you're adding to the patient.
The ECMO program has actually been around since about 2015, and that's where we developed a lot of the simulation practices.
And right over here you would clamp on the red line.
We didn't know then how much we were going to need that training now, especially going into 2020 with the COVID pandemic. Prior to COVID-19, a lot of the ECMO training was really focused in our more experienced nurses. As we braved the pandemic, we realized that we had newer nurses that really needed to get their hands on this technology as well.
Click this button here to check to make sure your low flow is set.
Giving to the simulation team is giving the gift of knowledge. As we have gone through the COVID pandemic and as we've seen the shortages within the nursing career field, it's more critical than ever to ensure our nurses and our healthcare teams have the education they need to care for the patients at the bedside.